Something cool today, guys. I got my NGRAVE. My parents brought it to me from Austria all the way to Qatar. And finally I can unbox it. Yeah. That's the package, that's the thing. Super nice with the Renegade logo. It's the stuff what's inside. Start truly owning what is yours. It's my first cold wallet. It's just the key stuff. Then the gold USB-C cable to charge. Oh, to grave like your seed phrase into the wow. Sorry, it looks a bit unsorted. I'm just like packing my stuff for the next trip. Okay, nice. So you can choose, like, that's like where you put your password in. Never lose your key with the industry's first recoverable backup. Okay. Blah blah blah, you generate your key, punch your key in graphene, hide your plates separately. Ah, okay, got it. Got it, nice idea, I love it. Each of a graphene comes with 8 unique character ultimate. Ah, nice, okay. Good. So you just need, how do I get this out? Experience liquid. Mind managing your accounts. Okay, an app for managing the cryptos you got. Let's see. Oh, nice. Wow. Okay, you just lay it down. Oh, that thing is heavy. Oh, nice. And then you just hit the correct numbers and letters for your seed phrase. Clever idea. And then you have to hide it separately. But yeah, people will maybe not know how to use it. I also have to check. How do you know if you have to put it like this or that? Okay. Stickers, stay cold. Start truly owning what is yours. Nice. The NGRAVE logo. Yeah, I like it. How to use. Renegade 1-1. Okay, that's our Renegade advertisement. Awesome, awesome. Okay, good. Unleash Zero. That's the coldest. They say they are the coldest wallet on the market, which is maybe true. I don't know. The most secure wallet. Verify device, import wallet, create new NGRAVE wallet, strong pin code, register your fingerprint. Yeah, you can see we got the fingerprint sensor over there. It's already dirty. Oh yeah, maybe there is my fingerprint already on it. Create your unique key. Okay, this we have to do later. I will not tell you my key, but I will create my key. Make the key really yours. Okay, back up your recovery key. Save it somewhere. Don't save your key online. This is maybe not the sense. Like, then you don't know what's a cold wallet. You try to save it separately somewhere at home or wherever, at the bank account, or I don't know. Just to not keep it online, so that really you are the only person, or I don't know, you and your wife or kids or family, you guys are the only persons with the key to create, recreate, I don't know, recover the wallet. Good. Download, liquidate, blah blah blah. Okay, good. What else we got there? Nothing. Today, holding cryptocurrency is courageous. Tomorrow it needs to be customary. Mind the game, we will never settle for less. Is it here now? I can take it. Yes, that's true. I'm totally their opinion. No more collusion. Technology is worth blah blah blah. Something was secured this year. This month is dangerous. NGRAVE. Looks nice. Okay. I just have to put my camera somewhere. Okay. Is it like, okay, let's see. Whatever. Oh yeah, it's smooth. I go for English. Yes, I accept. I love you. Accept. Hello, I'm Zero. Ron, I will protect your assets before I start. Let's verify whether I'm safe to use. Next. Okay. Where's my phone? Okay, we have to move. Yeah, that's my hotel room in Qatar. So, here we are. Okay. Good. So, we go to the webpage they claim we should go. NGRAVE.io/verify.